it, because 50% of marks will be based on MCQs. And that is why, my dear children, as a teacher, I'm really worried, because generally what happens in English, last year also, the paper, the entire pattern was changed, and 40% of marks, 40 number questions were coming for MCQs. But still, today, purely MCQ paper will be there just because of this pandemic. So I want all of you to solve maximum MCQs, whatever is available on, internet, or maybe practice papers you are going to get in the market. So let's do some MCQs based on tenses. Okay, be ready, children. Take your pen and paper. Sit with your pen and paper, and please be honest. Honesty is the best policy. So be honest. Okay. Okay, children. So I think the screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tenses MCQs. Choose the correct option. You have options also. Clear? I dash working all afternoon. Have just finished the assignment. Have been, had been, shall be, am. So write your answers with options. Mute yourself, first of all. That is very important. Otherwise, unnecessary noise will create chaos in the classroom. One by one. Okay, sorry, children. What is wrong with you, Hariram? Why all the time you're raising your hand? Children, are you writing down the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. I thought 50 questions I will give you and then we will discuss answers. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, finished children? Completed? Very good,
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya.
Yes,
Okay, let's come back.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's check your answers. Be honest. Dekho, this is the advantage of technology, that we can solve at least 50 MCQs in one single day. Generally, during offline classes, it was very difficult to give you the, to write questions on the blackboard. That's
Yes,
why
ma'am.
I'm using it. We know, okay. So I'm coming back to question number 1. Okay, choose the correct option. We have the very first question. I dash working all afternoon and have just finished the assignment.
Had been.
Tell me the
Ma'am,
answer.
had been.
B.
Ma'am, had
Option
been.
B,
Yes,
ma'am.
I
yes,
had
Been.
been.
yes. I had been, very good. I had been working all afternoon and now I just finished the assignment. Very good. So, Rohan dashed the movie before he read the review.
Ma'am, C.
Had watched.
Ma'am,
C.
C.
Yes, yes. Rohan had watched the movie before he read the review. He dash in the States, but he still does not have a command over the English language.
Has been living.
B.
Has
Has
been
Has
living.
been
living.
living.
Yes, has been living in the state, but he still does not. So you can see tenses. Okay. Now, by the next month, you all know the reason? Do I need to explain, reasons, Okay. By
Yes.
the next month, we shall dash the project.
Have completed.
Have completed.
Have completed.
Yes.
Completed.
By the next month, we
Completed.
shall have completed. Future perfect, you know, we shall have completed the project. Very good. Every boy and girl,
Is
every
present.
boy and girl, very good. Each and every always takes singular form of verb. So you all know this very simple rule. Every
Is present.
boy
Yes, ma'am.
and girl is present
Is
in the class today. Very good.
Option B.
He
Has been
dash
exercising.
daily
Had
for
been
a year.
C.
Has been
Has
exercising. Exercising.
very
C.
good, very good, very good. Has been exercising daily for a year now because continuation, it progressive tense has been, still he is doing, okay? I dash this book since morning. Easy one.
Had been
reading. A.
had A.
Yes, ma'am. A.
Yeah, had
A.
been reading also. I have been, अच्छा है ही नहीं, have been reading. Okay, so the answer is clear. Otherwise, see, अगर यहाँ पे have been reading होता, तो both the options would have been correct. Fine, but since the option बहुत अच्छा है, there is no confusion. Had been reading, has been reading, तो I के साथ has जाएगा नहीं, have होता तो maybe, had been read नहीं. Okay, very good, very good. Which tense is used to express general truths and facts? We all know.
Present indefinite
Present
tense.
indefinite tense.
present indefinite tense.
Present indefinite.
So present indefinite tense is also known as
Ma'am, but
Simple
present.
present.
Simple present.
simple present. Very good. So you all know simple present, present indefinite. Yes, Hare Ram, but बहुत बोलता है ये, बोलो. According to the prevailing rate, 2 dozen dash rupees 100.
B. Cost.
A.
Cost.
Yes, very
Cost.
good. 2 dozen cost rupees 100. Okay. Very good. The council dash made its
Has.
decision.
Has.
A.
Very good. Yes, the council, one single unit. So take singular verb. Subject verb agreement you all know. What do tense as the form of a verb help to determine?
C. Both A and B.
Both A and B.
C.
Ma'am, both
Very
A
good.
and B.
What do tenses as form of verb? The time of action, the state of action. Very good. Which tense is used to show the completion of an action by a certain time in the future?
Future perfect
Future
Future
continuous.
perfect
Future
tense.
perfect continuous
Yes,
tense.
future perfect continuous tense. Very good. Sorry. Identify the tense, 1 minute, used in the following sentence. When I reached the bookstore, all the copies had already been sold.
Past perfect tense.
Past perfect.
A.
Past perfect
Very good.
tense.
Yes, when I reached the bookstore, all they had. Very good. The wise leader and politician.
Has been.
Has
Yes,
been.
because he is only.
Have been.
Why?
Have
Because
been.
देखो यहाँ पे एक difference देखो. The wise leader and the politician होता, तो have been होता, because they are two different personalities, individuals. But जब लिखा है the wise leader and politician, that means it is referred for one single person. Okay. The same person is also a wise leader and he himself is the politician. So here we will take has been singular. The wise leader and politician has been assassinated. अगर ये होता the wise leader and the politician, तब वहाँ होता have been assassinated. Okay? Neither of the paintings, बताओ.
Were sold.
Were.
Where?
Was.
Ma'am,
Was sold. ये गलत
What?
लिखा है, correct
B.
answer B. Was sold. Because neither means no one, not a single. So Sita or her brothers, 16.
Are.
C.
Had.
Why? Who will tell me? R होगा. Has कौन बोल रहा है?
Are.
It is
Ma'am,
passive voice. Are to
Ma'am,
be
R
blamed.
होगा.
हाँ, tell me the reason.
मैम सीता एंड मैम इसके पास सीट
Ma'am, because it is passive voice.
No. That is okay. ठीक है, पैसिव वॉइस तो है ही, बट द क्लोजेस्ट, तुम्हें पता है ना, व्हेन देयर आर टू सब्जेक्ट्स, तो जो क्लोज सब्जेक्ट है उससे सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट भूल गए हो. अकॉर्डिंग टू द नियरेस्ट सब्जेक्ट, द वर्ब, वी टेक द वर्ब्स. ओके, क्लियर. और पैसिव वॉइस भी है. द चीफ गेस्ट with his wife
Has left.
has
A.
left. Yes.
A.
Yes. The quality of products
Have been degrading.
have
D.
been degrading over time. Yes, the quality of products. Very good. Okay, the news, sorry. The news dash not updated timely.
Cats.
The news, huh? The news
Where?
Is.
मैम
is. News एक है, singular.
Is.
Okay, plural की तरह work करता है, but it takes the singular verb. So the news is not updated timely. News. Okay, they
have got
Got.
has got
Got. Only got.
has got
They got.
they
Only got.
got into their cars. Yes, they got into their cars and drove away. Yes,
D.
simple past. Okay, choose the sentence with the future perfect tense.
They shall have arrived by
They
then.
shall have
Ma'am,
arrived by
A.
then.
Yes, A, option A. They shall have arrived by then. Okay. Identify the sentence used in following sentence. We are going to reach the
continuous tense.
destination as
Future continuous
scheduled.
tense.
Future perfect
Future
continuous tense.
Perfect
Future
continuous.
perfect continuous tense. Yes. Future, we are going to reach the destination as scheduled. We are going. Okay. Which tense is used to express an action going at some point in the past?
Past continuous tense.
Past
C.
perfect Past continuous
A.
A.
Which tense is used to express an action going at some point in the past? Past continuous tense.
Past continuous tense.
Each of the 4 army soldiers.
Were
Tell me.
Have
ready.
been
C.
inspected.
Watch ready. C.
Ma'am D.
Yes, was. Each of
Ma'am,
4 army soldiers was
Was
ready
ready.
for the mission. Yes, was. Very good. The thief and the eyewitness.
Have
Has
The
accepted.
thief
D.
and the eyewitness
Has
have escaped.
Has
Because
escaped.
they are the, yes, very good. 2 people. Back in my native place, I,
Did not have.
did
Did
not have.
not have.
A.
yes, I did not have a smartphone. Very good. Choose the correct sentence. Tell me.
B.
When I woke up,
I
he had
wake up,
already-
he had
B.
already eaten
B.
breakfast.
Yes,
B.
option B. When I woke up, he had already eaten breakfast. Okay. I dash the medicine as prescribed by the doctor for a week now.
Option
Have been
B.
taken.
Have
B.
been
Ma'am,
Have
B.
been taking.
Have been
Yes,
Have
taking.
been
very good.
taking.
I have been taking the medicine as prescribed by the doctor for a week now. Very good. You and I.
Have
Option
fulfilled.
C.
C.
Have
fulfilled.
fulfilled.
Have
Yes, have fulfilled the obligation. Okay, you and I. Identify the tense used in the sentence. Her brother will walk her down the aisle. Aisle, you know? आयल
Ma'am,
क्या होता
B.
है? स्पेलिंग है AISLE, लेकिन प्रोनाउंसिएशन है आयल. आयल क्या होता है? पैसेज. पैसेज, कोई भी पैसेज, जैसे 2 रो के बीच के पैसेज को आयल कहते हैं. जैसे एरोप्लेन में बीच का जो पैसेज है उसको भी आयल कह सकते हो, ट्रेन के बीच के पैसेज, चर्च के बीच आयल. So her brother will walk her down the aisle. ये marriage में generally brothers are accompanying their sister. Okay, so which sentence it is?
Option P,
Ma'am,
future
B.
perfect tense.
Ma'am, B.
Ma'am, B.
Okay, future. Okay, okay, okay. Aisle हो गया. Now next. Choose the past perfect continuous tense from the sentence. The children played in the park throughout the evening.
The children have been
And
playing
T,
in the
the
park.
children
D.
had been playing in the park throughout the evening. Option
Yes,
T.
very good. The children had been playing in the park throughout the evening. Very good. Now next, identify the tense used in sentence. Here comes the soon to be bride.
Option P, present indefinite.
Present indefinite tense, simple
Indefinite
present tense.
tense.
Okay. Identify the tense used in the underlined phrase. The weatherman forecasted that it's going to rain.
Option T,
Future
future continuous
indefinite
tense.
Y-
Yes.
Continuous tense.
Yes. नहीं, future continuous tense. Going to rain. होने वाला है. Continuation में. 2/3 of the food supply.
Option A, has been used.
Has been used.
Yes, the 2/3 of the food supply has been used for the month. The technique of paraphrasing.
Option P, has to be practiced.
Has to be
has to
practiced.
be practiced. Very good. Has to be practiced. Shyam and his brothers dash a famous sweet shop in our neighborhood.
Option C, is.
Yes, because this is a name. Don't get confused. Shyam and his brothers. See, it is within inverted comma. So basically it's one single name of a sweet shop. So Shyam and his brothers is a famous sweet shop in our neighborhood. Okay? Which tense is used to express that an action started in the past and is continuing till now?
Past perfect
Option T,
Past perfect continuous tense.
B.
tense. Option T.
No. Is past fine? It started past here means not the past 2 days back or something. Present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Identify the tense used in the sentence. While he was in the military, he still regularly wrote to me.
Option P, past perfect
Past
tense.
indefinite.
B.
Yes.
Past
Past
perfect.
Was yes, very good. Identify the tense used in the underlined phrase. He is always found reading the newspaper.
Option C, present
indefinite
Yes,
continuous.
very good.
Present
Very good.
continuous.
Very good. Present continuous. Children are leaving the class, not interested in knowing the answers or checking their answers. 40. Fill in the blanks with the present perfect tense from the verb given in the bracket. James dash to visit her grandmother.
Has gone.
Okay.
Option C, has gone.
C,
has
has gone.
gone. Very good. Very quickly, I'm telling you the answer because very little time is left. Question number 41. We dash for an hour now.
A, shall have been
You have
waiting.
to future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense. So what will happen? We shall have been waiting for an hour now. Okay? Choose the present indefinite tense for he had been sleeping. 42.
T, he sleeps.
Tell me.
He
Very
sleeps.
good. He sleeps.
He
Yes, very good. Simple. Subject and main verb. Identify the